So guys, this is a 5 minutes gele that you can use to your owambe and normal. It's not every time you have someone that can actually tie your hair for you, so it's good that you learn how to do some very simple tying that will help you when there is nobody there to help you. Right, so one very important information I will give is that the base of every gele is the beauty of that gele. So most times you just find out that what is on top of the gele is not really uh too much of a big style, but you see that it comes out on the head of the should I say the wearer, the head of the person wearing it, because the base is okay. So if you look at the one on my head now, you see my base is already flat. And one important thing you should do when you are tying for yourself is that you should try to make sure that each of the side is resting on your ears. So don't just open your ears, try and lay it on your ear. Is part of the beauty. It gives easy definition to your gele. It is only the hole where your earrings will pass through that you should let out. So no matter what you are doing on the top, it's not really a big deal anymore. It's the base that is the deal. You can see I'm not doing anything too serious, but you can see that with the base already you have a good definition. So all I did was just to twist and then tie. Don't forget to use mashing thread. Then after that I just flow the fan part, and that's just all. And I'm very good to go. You know, you will hardly believe that, oh, she didn't go to any salon to get this done. You can just do it by yourself, because not every time you get someone to do it for you. So this is it, and it is beautiful. It's beautiful. Right, thank you.